This is my Dodge D-100. Sun's glaring. This racing switch panel. Come to the motor. So it has a 340 intake manifold, dual plane. Has a 2-inch spacer with the adapter, 1-inch spacer for the Edelbrock 1406. Yesterday I installed the electric fan. Still have my little LED lights on, but they're coming off. It's about the color I'm going to be painting it. It's like a gray color, light gray. Probably going to do a little bit darker though. Overall, she's in pretty nice shape. So let's start her up. Ignition, fans kicking on, neutral. She's a long bed. I'll give her a little bit of rev for you. You can hear the fans on. Four-speed manual. Accessory switches for blinkers and stereo. 2 and 3. There's nothing at the moment. So yeah,